Welcome folks. This is an unboxing video of the GW2480 24-inch BenQ monitor. You can pick this up for $165 Canadian without tax, and with tax it comes to around $187-$190. So today we are going to open this box, take a look at the monitor, see how it performs and whatnot. Let's get into it. Alright, let's take a look at what's inside here. Alright, so here's the monitor. It's neatly packed, so let's take it out, guys. So this monitor is a pretty decent size. 24 inches is pretty much what you want if you are working on your laptop or if you want to watch a movie. I do some web development, and so this is the right size for me. As you can see, this monitor comes with inbuilt speakers, and you see the speaker here and of course here. The monitor comes with a stand. Take a look. So basically you have to mount your monitor using these two pieces right here. There we go. Then it comes with a power cord, a HDMI cable. So in order to mount the monitor, this forms the base plate and you mount your monitor on here. So as you can see, you lay the flat base down there. Then this piece goes in like this and your monitor is mounted here. So basically that's the front side of your monitor. Okay, so what you want to do is take a look here. You want to take the screw, pull it all the way down. Okay, so it goes down. Now what you want to do is, you should put this all the way, so you can see it has gone in all the way inside, and then you start tightening the screw. Perfect, nice and tight, and you can push it down. Okay, so that's the base. Hey guys, let's check out one of the features of this monitor, which is called Bright Intelligence. So what you see here is a sensor, and basically what that does is it senses the light and it changes the brightness of this display based on the light. So when you set up the monitor, by default that feature is turned off, so you have to go on and turn it on. So let's do it right now. So what you want to do is the second button brings up the menu. You press that again. Actually, no, you have to switch to the third button from the right. That will bring up the display. So you go down, you select display, then you go right. Actually, no, you have to go up and select the eye care. So you go right, you select Bright Intelligence. So by default it's off. So let's go and turn it on. Right now it's turned on. So we go there again and we have to select the light meter. Oh, it's on. Good. And light sensitivity is 50%. That should be good. Yeah, I think that's all good. Now let's check low blue light. Yeah, I want low blue light on multimedia. That's good enough. Alright, now let's see. Now you can see the eye icon here. See it change. So basically it has sensed the light and it is adjusting the brightness. So what we can do is like we can cover this up so it will detect low brightness and you can see the entire brightness of the screen is going down. So the screen is less bright now. So I'm going to see the screen has dimmed. So this is like if you're working at night in total darkness or something, the screen will reduce its brightness so it's not a strain on your eyes. So I'm going to take my hand off. So it's again going to detect the light. So now the screen will increase in brightness to adjust to the external brightness. So this is a very good feature. It's one of the reasons why I got this monitor. And there is one more setting that I want to take a look at, and that is the power saving. So if you come all the way down to system, there you have the auto power off. So I'm going to set it to 10 minutes. If the screen is inactive for 10 minutes, just turn off. So if I'm here watching a movie or something, if I'm in front of the monitor, then I'm pretty sure it won't turn off if there is a multimedia, a movie or something being played. But if there is no activity, let it turn off after 10 minutes. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back with more unboxing videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.